Character, leadership, service. These are the values students gain from a Colorado Outward Bound School course. They are discovered on mountain ascents, down the depths and narrows of slick rock canyon walls, and along mighty rivers in the wildest places and just beyond the reach of students' comfort zones.
I think Colorado Outward Bound brings something that's completely different from what we could achieve here. In this school, within these walls, I think that really just advances a student along in their understanding of who they are and what they value and what they think is important in the world.
Coming out here, I've become so much more confident in myself. You can do these huge, awesome things.
I've learned that I'm a pretty good leader. I really know how to get along with people.
Now more than ever, our mission to change lives through challenge and discovery is critical. The leaders of tomorrow, the hands, hearts, and voices that will steward our world from this era to the next, are the youth of today.
I think it just sort of has expanded what kids might think is possible, or push them to think like, oh, I could step out of my comfort zone a little bit and take that sort of challenge on.
Outward Bound could really change your life and just change your mindset.
I didn't realize just exactly how far I could push myself.
After course, students return to life in their families, schools, and communities, understanding that the future belongs to those with the confidence, tenacity, leadership skills, and service ethic to own and protect it.
The experience that I had really made me think about people and how much they mattered, because it's all about cooperation.
I had so much fun and I grew so much as a leader and as a person. It was like a real adventure.
A girl going out into the world and having that kind of experience really starts to solidify who she is and knowing that she matters. But it is one of those things that you can truly define as priceless. These kids come back and they're irrevocably changed.
With these skills gained on course, students go on to become empowered leaders, compassionate community members, and active citizens. They make their own opportunities, actively seek out ways to get involved, and rise to any challenge they are faced with. They do not wait for an invitation. They choose to lead.